Hi guys, today we're going to look at a problem. Find a missing parenthesis in a given expressions. So if we have an expressions like this, 2 star of bracket 3 plus 5 and of this some expressions or some value in between. So we have to find a missing parenthesis from here. Usually in any Eclipse or Studio of workspace would find out this parenthesis and it would give you a compiler error. So how does that as a program that we're going to find out this missing parenthesis? For that, the solution that I'm going to look for is I am going to have a hash map. So where I'm going to have an all the parentheses, maybe it's a brace or an bracket. So what is the correct bracket for the one? This is the key and the value. So I'm going to have it in a hash map, and I'm going to do a stack. So as I find this kind of bracket or this braces, so I'm going to push it into the stack. And if I find a matching one, and then I'll pop this out. So at the end of the expressions, if I have anything remaining in this stack, so I would know that the corresponding value for this brace would be the missing parenthesis. So that is the solution. So to the code is I have written a class here. I have got this hash map to have this one. I entered the braces here and then public character. So this particular program would solve any other expressions which is missing. We're just not only concentrating on one particular base. If the problem says or just one braces, then we can have simple different input handler instead of just a hash map. So I'm going to do it so that I if any future problem also can handle this one. And I'm going to write a get missing parenthesis method. The input would be the string. So in that the string I'm going to convert into a character array, and that is a code for it. And I'm going to create a new stack. And for each of this input character of this formatted input of length, I'm going to check if this hash map, this is the hash map, right? So verify the hash map. If hash map has any of this particular character, if it is null, for sure I don't want to add all this to star 3 plus 5, right? So we're going to find only this missing parenthesis. So I'm going to ignore all that. For that I have this uh, code, so which will return null if I found two star or anything. Otherwise I would have some value for it. So then I would push into the stack. So it will come here, it will ignore this two star, and then it will come to this element, this character. So this is an opening brace, so it would push into the stack. And and then what is the condition? This was that, like, okay, so then we're going to go 3, it's going to ignore, plus is going to ignore, 5 is going to ignore, and we're going to come to this opening brace again, and it would going to add here. So this case would execute only if it's not null, and if this hash map and that particular value has equal. Like, what I'm saying is that if the if this element is coming in, so this element value in a hash map, if this has any value which is equal to this array, then I'm just going to pop it out. So what I'm trying to do is that if this has any matching of so that one combination is found, then I'm just going to pop it out from the stack. And this will happen till end of the expression. And at the end, return verify dot get stack of pop. So whichever is the last element, that matching the value from the hash map would be the result. So thank you.